Hi lovelies and welcome back to my channel.
Hi everybody, my name is Carolyn and I'm here with Petra today.
I just want to say that when we are together, our duo is known as twins, not twins. So today we are going to be making the chocolate pistachio Dubai bar. The ingredients for today's dessert is Hershey's chocolate. I prefer Hershey's special dark chocolate, but when you're making it at home, you can do whatever you want. Next, we have the kataifi shredded phyllo dough. I got this at the Mediterranean market near us. The next ingredient is the pistachio nut butter. This is the tahini sauce we're going to be using. Also, I guess include butter because we used butter to fry the phyllo dough. That is about 4 ingredients for today's recipe. We're going to take our Hershey's dark chocolate and we are going to melt it and pour it in this little mold we have right here, lined with parchment paper that Carolyn so gracefully folded for us. So this is what the chocolate looks like. It's about a 1/3 cup of melted chocolate. Okay, so this is what our chocolate bar looks like so far. So we're gonna put this in the freezer to set for about like 10-20 minutes, and then we're gonna fill it up with our filling that we created.
Let's hear this.
Oh wait, fuck.
Oh really? PYT for young.
Driver's seat.
Oh, I can't do this without you.
You're classic, fantastic. While you're on the floor, like a man back once more. Let me see you do that. Doing this crazy dance. That's not a test. You put in the work to be the best. Classic take on a brand new game for new drops. You know your name.
Classic.
You're the new PYT.
Yeah.
Taking on the grid to judge your dreams.
You're the new classic.
Fantastic, when you're on the floor, bringing me back
Once more.
and let me see you do that.
Classic.
PYT, anticipate, young, taking on, believe in me. Classic, fantastic, when you're on the floor, bringing me back once more, and let me see you do that. So far, we have already fried our shredded phyllo dough, the kataifi dough. All we did is we took this, what comes in a bag like this. It was like up to here. We cut it in half, cut it, put it in a pan with some butter, cupped it up, and then now it looks like this. And so now we are going to be adding our pistachio butter. That's how much I'm doing right now.
We're adding a little bit more.
Now we're adding more. Thank you. Right now we're watching another Cinderella story. Tubi, sponsor me, please. So about 5/6 of the pistachio cream is in this bowl right now with our shredded dough. So now we're adding the tahini to our pistachio and phyllo dough.
It's nutty, it's crunchy, not too sweet.
So we just took out our chocolate from the fridge and now we're going to add in our filling. So we just finished putting the filling in our chocolate bars. So now we're gonna melt some more chocolate in our measuring cup and do the final top layer to seal the chocolate bar. So I just finished pouring and evenly distributing the chocolate for the top of this to make it into like an even bar. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge to set for a few minutes. And once it's done, we're gonna show you what it looks like. So it is actually a different day, and I have the chocolate bar that we made. This is how thick it came out to be. But let's go ahead and crack it open. Like, I don't even know if I can crack it. Here. Oh. So it has been in my fridge for a minute. Alright, let's try it. I would rate this an 8 out of 10 because I like the crunch, I like the chocolate and the other ingredients it's made out of. It's sweet. It gives the essence of like a crunchy Reese's Pieces, but it also isn't very nutty. So it gives like a nutty kind of aftertaste, and I'm excited to taste it when the middle is not hardened because it was in the fridge. So maybe if it's like creamier, then it would be a little bit better, but I would give it a solid 8 out of 10.